Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of them or to change just the positions of the icons on the panel, you should tap here to this edit icon, tap to edit swatches, and to add some options from this down section you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. By this way, to remove some of them we should just hold the icon and drag it to the down. To just reset the changes, just click to reset, tap to reset to confirm the action, and if you want to just save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.